There's a fundamental problem with LinkBerry, the SaaS app that we've been working on that does kind of automated LinkedIn thought leadership content for you. And the problem is it just takes a lot of work. I think really good content does take a lot of work. And as we saw with SEO Machine, the Claude Code project that we open sourced, it takes a lot of work to get context and intentionality into anything that touches AI. And this is no different, but we have to crack this or this app is never going to get off the ground, because the reality is users want instant results these days. And that's what we're going to give them. So we're going to rework how the onboarding and content creation process inside LinkBerry works so that customers get a month's worth of content in about 5 minutes. Stick with me, okay? So I want to walk through what currently happens. Then I'm going to go away and code. You'll find the link in that in the description for that kind of live coding session. It's an unlisted video here on YouTube, but I always like to record what I'm doing and share it with you. So that link will be in the description below. But let me walk you through what happens now. Okay, so you sign up linkberry.ai. We have a wait list right now, and we'll be inviting people for early access soon. So if you want to join, link is in the description below, linkberry.ai. And so what you have to do is create your voice profile first, right? It's just like, who are you? What are you all about? What do you believe? What's your business? All this kind of stuff. What are your career milestones? How many clients do you support? What's your kind of credibility statement? Who exactly do you help? All this kind of stuff, right? And this sucks. Honestly, this just sucks. This is just way too much work for anybody to do. This is 5 steps. And the reality too is that we should be able to do most of this for the customer. And so what we're going to do is have 2 pieces of information that we're going to ask for the customer. One is just a yes or no, or an A or a B, and the other is ask for a little bit of context. So the one decision we're going to ask them for is, what's your goal with LinkedIn? Do you want to get clients, or do you want to grow your audience? That's it. And from there, we're going to ask for 3 pieces of information that best represent kind of them and their brand and their kind of ilk, right? Because from there, we should be able to infer a lot of stuff. And we should be able to go out and find more stuff like that. So one of the things we're going to ask for 100% is their website, right? So all of the people I think that will sign up for this are founders, CEOs, and executives. So hey, show me your website, and we'll go crawl that website and get a whole bunch of information about the brand and the value prop and who their ICP is and stuff like that. That's cool. And then other pieces of content that they've created that are public. So you're a guest on a podcast episode, or you have a YouTube channel, or your blog, your personal blog, or a newsletter that you write, any kind of personal content that they have already. And then inspiration, right? Show me something that you like already from someone else. And this is really important because I think one of the things that LinkBerry is doing is it's an aspirational tool, right? People who would buy LinkBerry are hiring it to increase thought leadership. And there's probably someone in your mind right now, if you're a potential LinkBerry customer, who's like, I want to write more like this person or that person on LinkedIn because I just love what they do. And so those 3 pieces together, like the existing brand, a piece of your content so we can get your perspective, and then like, what's the goalpost here? And how can we put those 3 pieces together to infer and create 30 days of content for our users in 5 minutes? Okay, so I'm going to pause the recording right now. I'm going to go away and do a bunch of work. I'm going to come back for you in about a second, and this will be done. Okay, if you want to see actually building this out, link is in the description below. Okay, I'm back. The build session was about 30 minutes. Links in the description below if you want to watch the whole 30 minutes of me building this feature. And I'm blown away because it did it perfectly, I think. And I'm going to walk you through it now. Okay, so you saw the prompt before. So we gave it, it's going to have 2 screens. One is, what is your goal for your LinkedIn content? And that's what we have here. And the reason for this is the type of content we create going forward will be different depending on what they answer here. Okay, so if you just want to grow, it's going to be more skewed towards things like virality and links and comments and engagement. If you want customers, you got to get customers, which means like leads and go into DMs. Okay, so I'm going to say I want to grow my audience here. And then we're asking for 3 pieces of information, and we're going to build the whole profile of a user and the strategy for their content based on these 3 things. So tell me about your brand. So this would be like your company website. For me, like this is my personal website. So my personal website is craighewitt.com. Join the newsletter if you haven't yet. Go check it out. Examples of your content. Again, so this can be anything public, podcast, newsletter, blog, all this kind of stuff. I'm going to do this YouTube playlist, 100 Days of AI. Just because it's really representative of me these days. And then inspiration. And to me, like, this guy's pretty awesome, right? Dan Martell, really, really, really successful founder, and just somebody like I know a little bit, I look up to. And if I get kind of anywhere close to 2 million subscribers, I'll be happy. So like, is this the only one? No. Is this a pretty good one? Yeah. So, okay, maybe I could add more here. And you could, right? So you could add more aspirational examples. But for now, I'm just gonna say like, cool, these are the 3. And I'm going to click go here. And what's happening now is it's going to get all this information. And then with AI, it's going to build a very robust profile of who I am, what I want to do, who I talk to, who my ICP is, what kinds of things should I be writing about. And if you watch the SEO Machine video, you'll know that like this kind of, we call it foundational content and context here, is so important. And it's really the basis for everything we go and create going forward. Okay, so it has all of this, and you can edit all this stuff later. And then it's going to go infer the answers to all of these questions that we made people ask before. And so this is really, like I mentioned, you're cooked in technology if you can't make magic with your software. And so what we did is say, hey, what's your goal? And then tell me 3 things about yourself, and I'm going to go figure the rest of it out. That's the magic. Honestly, I'm super excited for LinkBerry. I was kind of putting it off and not really working on it a lot. But with this, I totally believe that we can give people 30 days of content in 2 minutes like this, okay? The other thing we have to do, which will be in the next video, is building out a 30-day content calendar. In the build video, which is linked below, I did about 25 minutes of work here, kind of off camera, if you will, to build this whole feature. We got the basis for the 30-day content calendar. And I'm super excited to, in the next video, we're going to plug it in, build that kind of content strategy. And you literally will be able to come in and say, hey, I want to grow, or I want to get more customers. Tell me about yourself, da-da-da. And it'll build 30 days of content out for you. So in 2 minutes, you'll have 30 days of content for LinkedIn. Pretty cool, huh? Linkberry.ai. Join the waitlist if you haven't already. I'm going to be inviting the first people in for beta testing later this week. So you got to be on the wait list or you don't get access. I'm Craig Hewitt. This is 100 Days of AI. I'll see you tomorrow.